To all my friends from the media, today in the presence of District Congress Committee President of Theni, Brother Murugeshan Ji, President of Tamil Nadu Youth Congress and an eminent leader of Tamil Nadu Congress, Brother Hassan Ji, and all the senior leaders, General Secretary TNCC Arun Bithia Ji, all the senior district leaders, we have assembled here today as a part of the ongoing drive of signature campaign to protest and condemn against the anti-farmer draconian agrarian bills brought by the BJP government on the brute strength of their majority in Parliament without even a proper discussion. As you are aware, Congress Party, under the leadership of Congress President, respected Sonia Ji Gandhi, and our beloved leader, respected Rahul Ji Gandhi, has already launched a nationwide agitation to oppose these bills which are aimed to destroy the farmers and the farming community and assist the crony capitalist friends of Narendra Modi, Adani, Ambani and the likes. The All India Congress Committee has chalked up a series of programs, agitational programs, to oppose this bill. We already have the ongoing signature campaign, which is receiving tremendous response from the people all over the country and even in Tamil Nadu. Every district, every block, especially the farmers and the farm laborers who are strongly opposed, as also, besides affecting them, this will also adversely affect the common people of our country, a trailer of which we are already witnessing in the rising prices of onion and potatoes, which are the staple diet of a common man. The conspiracy of the BJP is to ultimately destroy the agriculture produce markets, which are a platform provided to the farmers to get a respectable price, reasonable price, fair price for his produce. If these bills are implemented, the PMCs will not only be shut down, but the farmers will not get an outlet for his produce. and all the big industrialists through the infrastructure available to them will store and hold the farm produce, offer pitiable rates to the farmers, and after holding the produce for some time, sell it at huge, colossal prices, directly hitting at the budget of the common man. On the other hand, the farmers will not get a fair price for his produce. He will be the loser. This is like what we are witnessing. Every profitable public sector undertaking is being offered on a platter to the friends of Narendra Modi. It is very strange. Under the Narendra Modi government, India is the only country in the world where the government is selling profitable public sector undertakings. They are now planning to sell the BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, the LIC. You are aware that they have already handed over several prestigious airports to the Adani company, one of which is the Thiruvananthapuram Airport, Mumbai Airport. If not directly, through pressure, through threats being put. And similarly, now this sector also is being destroyed by the BJP government. On the one hand, due to the anti-people policies like the demonetization, due to the misgovernance and the adoption of the Modinomics, today India's economy lies totally in shatters, which at one time during UPA rule was considered to be one of the most vibrant, growing economies in the world, and acknowledged so by world-renowned economists, one of whose was our Prime Minister, the then Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji. The past 7-8 months, due to the corona crisis, have seen every section of Indian society suffering due to the coronavirus. Thousands of people have lost their livelihood, their jobs. There is total unemployment prevailing in the present environment. Inflationary tendencies are on the rise. The government has no action plan to bring back the derailed economy back on the tracks. Even a constitutionally stipulated provision of giving the due share of the GST to the state governments and the union territories is not being followed by the BJP government at the center, which is telling the state governments and the union territories that they should take loans from outside. Why should they? It is the responsibility engraved in the provision of the GST that their share will be given by the central government. In such manner, The BJP government at the center is specially discriminating against the opposition, non-BJP governments in the states and the union territories. You are aware that our leader, Rahul Ji Gandhi, had forewarned Narendra Modi about the seriousness of Corona. Unfortunately, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was busy in welcoming his so-called friend,